Hi, this is Rhythm. Welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. Today video is an other important video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to create a blog in your website. In last video, we create all the pages of our website. Now, another important page that is obviously we want to create a blog or want to write an article on a topic. So how you can choose the topic and how you can create a blog and what data you have to enter and how you can enter that data. If you don't know how to write the content writing, no problem. In this video you will know how to create a blog and how to write a blog. Anyone can write who really wants to write. Okay, so let's start. Log into your dashboard, and so this is my website. Okay, this is my website where I want to write a blog. If you don't know how to I get this website or how to I get this theme, this is a theme. Okay, so if you don't know, check my last video. In my last video I told in detail how you can get a free professional themes from your dashboard without installing it from Google. Okay, so let's start. I want to write a blog. For example, what is my topic of blog? So first of all, that is this is a website about the cake and something like that. Okay, bakery, yeah, anything according to your niche. What have to do? For example, topic is cake design. Okay, so how can I search like that? How I can get detail about it? First, how can I write about it? The important questions. Obviously, everyone wants to know how to write an article. Okay, so first of all, this is our keyword cake design. Okay, so how can we write about it? Or the best cupcakes? Okay, if you really don't want to go with cake design, uh, let's go with best cupcakes. What you have to do, go on Google and just search for best cupcakes. Best cupcakes. Okay, so here you will see. First of all, we have some best cupcake shops. Okay, but if you scroll little down, we see 23 of our absolute best cupcake recipes. They give us best cupcake recipe. Before writing an article or want to write an article, you have to visit a multiple website what they write. Obviously, they are your competitors. So what you have to do, just search about it, what they write. Okay, and how they write. Okay, for example, they write about the 23 of our absolute best cupcake. And if you want to search something else, like you want to search about benefits of green tea or other keyword about the services, something about the. Okay, so don't copy another data. What you have to do simply search about it, read about it, and make sure you write the detail in most simple language that anyone can read it. Okay, any person who open your article read easily. They don't need a Google translator or more translator to translate it, because it's gonna be tough. No one gonna read it or no one gonna copy and paste on translator. So make sure it will be right as simple as you can and anybody can read it. Even a 5, 6, 7, 8 class person can read it right like that. Okay. Visit one or more website and see how they write about it. Okay. For example, you can see they just write about it. First recipe, we starting our live is something super simple yet super delicious. This vanilla and I like that. Get the recipe, you have to click on the recipe. Okay, so for example, there is another keyword, for example, that I told you. I search about the benefits of green tea. Okay, so let's see how they wrote about the green tea. Okay, so see, green tea, drinking green tea can lower the chance of cavities and other dental problems. So see, the line is too simple and easy to read and understand. Okay, so just write like that, and anyone can read more easily or understand what you want to say. Okay, you can also add one more thing like that: benefits of green tea 2023. Okay, or you can also write, for example, benefits of green tea with lemon, benefits of green tea with matcha, benefits of green tea for women, benefits of green tea with ginger. You can also choose from here. Okay, and make sure I'm gonna tell you again and again, please write it up more simple as you can. Okay, and okay, so how you can, this is the first step, how you can search about your keyword that you want to enter or write a blog. Okay, visit one or more or two or more website. For example, if you want to write about pro and cons, what you have to do, go on Amazon. Okay, go on Amazon and also search about the green tea, because green tea is also a product that is buying or selling, right? If a product that can buy or read, you can also get data from here. For example, this one a green tea, and if you little scroll down, a lot of you will get a lot of reviews about it. Something is good, something better. For example, they write about good thing, the green tea is good and I receive a lot. Okay, I like that the tea bags are not individually wrapped, the less packaging the better. If the product are you writing about, they are a product that is selling or buying, you can also get some good and bad views about it if you want to write that, but make sure write in your own words. Okay, don't use that same, otherwise Google do not accept it. So this is the main process, how you can write and how you can clear a data. For example, how you can get your keyword more and more. Okay, so this is our first process. So let's start. I'm going to tell you how to can create. For example, I want to write a blog about it. So I click on here and click on post. So I want to create a new post. You can also go on dashboard, and from post you can create a new post. Okay, and click on add new, so you will create a new post. Okay, for first of all, write about your title that you want to write. Okay, so I want to write about the best cupcakes. So my title is best cupcake or best cupcake recipes. Make sure make it unique or make it more powerful that anyone can read. For example, if you search about best cupcakes, right? If you search about best cupcakes, what searches are available? For example, I search about best cupcakes, and you will see near me or recipe is, and second that is search a lot. Okay, so just write here best cupcake recipes, cake recipe. Okay, if you want to write here 2023, you can also write. Okay, you can see if they search about 2022. Okay, they also search about 2022 or 2023, you can add also then 2022. Okay, and this is now. Okay, now what you have to do, that is our heading. Now what you have to do, see what the what they write about. Okay, for example, see what they write 37 easy recipe you love. Okay, so your second heading what is? Okay, right here 11 best cupcake recipe. Okay, cupcakes recipe. Okay, so next what you have to, after that, please add an image tag. If you don't know how to customize, please visit my and watch my previous video, so you will better know how to customize the text and all the detail. I'm not gonna with you because the video is gonna too long and I'm not gonna bore you. Okay, so what you have to do, add a pic over here. How you can add a pic? Okay, I'm gonna tell you how to add a pic. Go on Canva. This is a free tool that provides you a lot of, if you don't, Canva is a full free website that provide a lot of free where you can customize and create your own image. If you don't know how to create this, let me know in comment. I will also create a video about in detail what you have to do, create design and go in and just write here blog. Okay, blog, and go on blog website, cupcakes. Okay, and of course image will show here. So you can see this is a cute image. What you have to do, add an image according to your choice. Go in elements and search about cupcake. As you search about cupcake, you will find a lot of cupcake. In photos you will find a lot of photos you can add here. For example, you want to add this one beautiful image in your bag. Okay, okay, and if you okay, just delete all the thing here. Okay, when you comes on it, you will see you can add a text if you want. Like for example, I write what I write here. I write here 11 best recipes. Just copy it, and if you want to paste on your here, you can also paste. You can add more things here. I also, okay, I make another video how to customize it. Okay, how to customize and create in Canva photos like that. If for example you want to add the heading over here that I create, or you can also choose from here the free one if you want. Okay, right here, and you can change their, you can give them colors, or you can uh, for example if you want to give them any color, you can give them any color you want. Okay, you can give them. Okay, and if you want to any uh, customizing, you can add. Okay, so after that, this is an example. Choose a best pick. Okay, that is too attractive. I'm not gonna give you. Okay, so click on and install in png. Okay, as you install it, one more thing you have to do, that anybody mistakes ever, just convert this image into WEPB. Okay, WEPB, don't forget, because otherwise this gonna be problem creating in mobile view and something other view. When just choose a file and convert it. Okay, and then upload it. Okay, so go to your topic and upload here pic image, upload image here, just like that. Okay, as upload image here, and then what you have to do, click on plus, and as I told you, just search about it more and more. Okay, just as they write, they have perfect vanilla cupcake recipe. Okay, just make it so simple, and don't forget to add images about it. It's gonna be attract user. Okay, so this is how we can write a blog. Okay, visit one or more websites, and also visit Amazon and more purchasing places. Okay, selling purchases to get pros and cons. This is how it's work. Let's publish it and have a look. So this is how you can see how it's look like. You can add according to your change. You can also customize it, so you can change your name from here by going in setting. Okay, this is how it's work. If I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any query and question, ask me in comment. I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video.